All right. So there we go. Okay, so basically there's a couple problems where they want you to find the height of the individual. Where they want you to find the height of the individual. And they give you the angles of elevation of two people. So let's say lip and service are 50 meters apart. The angles are 37 and 55. Okay, well, first things first, we can use triangle angle sum to get the angle at the water tower to be 88 degrees. Why is it not working? Oh, I know why, because it's a picture. All right, so da 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 da. 88 degrees. There we go. All right. So basically, we got multiple angles, so it leads us to believe law of sines. So we're going to put right in the middle 50 over sine 88, since that's the one problem they give you. All right. Equals 55. Oops. Wrong one. Hold on. All right. We'll make this x over there, x over sine 55. And then over here, y over sine 37. All right, so basically, we got some cross multiplication going on. All right, to get y, we would do 50 sine 37, divide that by sine 88. All right, oops, 50 sine 37 divided by sine 88. And we get 30.1. All right, and we do the same thing with y. Oh, 50 sine 37. Nope, this is in the wrong spot. So that's a 30.1. Erase this. And then to get x, I'm going to do 50 sine 55. All right, and divide that by the sine of 88. And I'm going to get basically 41. All right, 41.0, which is great. So that's how you get the distances. Now, the problem then, two of them then ask you to get the height of the triangle. There's two ways of doing it. Okay, there's two ways of doing it. Number one is go back and do right triangle trig. So you now have either that side length or that side length. You can use either one in those angles to find the height of the triangle. Or if you want, you now have multiple ways to find the area. Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. We're going to assume 50 meters is the base. All right, you got area equals, for example, 1/2 AB sine C. All right, and then basically those areas should come out to be the same. Since you have enough information over here, that will enable you to solve for the area, and then you can plug that back in. So you can pick either way to do both of those problems, but realize that's what you have to do to get the height. All right, so that covers a couple problems. All right, when we're done here in the next couple of minutes, if you have questions about the packet, we'll gladly take them. But we're going to talk about what's going on now for the rest of the marking period. Okay, so today, 3 o'clock, the word problem packets are due. Okay. If you do not get it in by 3 o'clock, it will be late. Sunday at midnight, all right, is the last point you can submit. All right, so Sunday at midnight, you can submit for late grade. After that, ladies and gentlemen, you'll get 5 out of 25. You've had the whole week to do it, to stay on top of it. So you have to submit what you have by Sunday. All right, there will be no late grades after Sunday because Monday, all right, we will post a solution to that to anybody who has questions. On Monday, we will go over the first third of the quarterly review. Okay. So when you're looking in your Google Classroom, all right, okay, there's your quarterly review. Okay, the first third is numbers 1 and 2. So we're going over numbers 1 and 2. So solving the equations and verifying the identities. Then on Tuesday, we will go over numbers 3, 4, and 7. No, 3 and no, wait. Let me do this again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we're going to go over number 1 on Monday, all the equation solving. Then on Tuesday, we will go over numbers 2 and 3 and 4. And then on Wednesday, we'll go over 7, 8, and 9. All right. And then you just have to submit that. Thursday, you will take the quarterly. All right. Most likely at home. I still have to talk about it when we get back on Monday with Miss Cornelius. But chances are you're all going to take it at home on Thursday. And then Friday, we will start the pre-calculus portion of the year, starting with exponents and logs. All right. So basically, all right. So the first third of the quarterly review on Monday, Tuesday. Okay. The second third, and Wednesday, the last third. Okay. So and then Thursday, you take the quarterly. Friday, we start pre-calc. Okay, so we'll be taking notes. Now, on Monday, we go back to hybrid. All right. This is a reminder, and I will send something out in Google Classroom later. This is a reminder that when you are home, whether you're on your hybrid day or you're completely virtual, you are still responsible for joining the live streams. They're mandatory. All right. And it will eventually be graded. If you don't come, it's going to negatively impact your grade. All right. So beginning Monday, these are still required for you to come to. Now, when we're working independently in class, those of you that have been in class this year at some point, you'll notice we do the lesson and then you have time to work independently. Once we start working independently, you don't need to stay logged on. You can always come back if you want. But while the actual instruction's going on, all right, you're going to be required to stay on, and that is mandatory. All right. If not, it's like cutting a class. So on your days you're home, you're going to be continuing to join these. So that's the major difference between before we left in December when we're coming back. But again, I will post something later with that. All right. So if you do not have any questions, you are good to go. Make sure you submit that by 3 o'clock. All right. And we will see you all either live or virtually on Monday. Bye, guys.
Have a good day, Mr. Strada.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Strada, I resubmitted what I was missing because I figured it was just like deep, like in like the void of Google Classroom. So I just like unsubmitted and resubmitted like the things that I made up.
Okay.
If that makes it easier to find at all, because I just figured like
I mean, what I could have checked the dates. It's gonna mess up the dates, but I'll take you on your word.
Yeah, and no, that's what I was worried about, so I didn't want to do it. But then I'm like, okay, like I just assumed it was like lost in the void of Google Classroom, so I was like, all right, I might as well just try.
All right, I'll take you on your word.
All right, thank you.
No problem, brother.
All right, have a great day.
You too.